Hi there, everyone. Okay, in this video, I'd like to give you a few tips on trying to save your car from being stolen. Even if it's an old car, obviously it's your prized possession. But especially if you have a brand new car, you don't want someone stealing your car. So you have to be a deterrent. You have to have a deterrent. And my deterrent is this. It weighs about 5 pounds. It's solid steel. I've had this for many years. It's called the electronic nightstick. It actually uses the car battery to power it up, and there's a bright light and it's an alarm, but I don't use that. I just need to secure the car, so if a car thief looks in my car and he sees this, he won't be bothered, because you can't open this. You'd have to destroy the whole steering wheel to get this off, and then the car would be of no use to them. So that when they see this on your car, they're gonna just move on to another car. Okay, so the way this works is it has a key. So I open it. Okay, so it opens like this. And then all I have to do is put it on the steering wheel and lock it. And that's it. So here we go. We're just gonna put this over the steering wheel. By the way, make sure that your car is off when you apply the nightstick, because if you have the car running and you apply the nightstick to the steering wheel, when you shut the ignition off, this will go down and it could really smash up stuff in your dash. Okay, so the best thing to do is you park the car, turn the ignition off, and then you put the nightstick on. You can get this. They still sell them at, I'm in Canada, so Canadian Tire. Now remember, I'm not being paid for talking about these things, but I know that they're useful. So it's just a matter of safeguarding your vehicle. You don't want to go shopping and then you come back, your car is gone. Nobody's going to try to steal a car with one of these. Alright, so I would advise all you people watching this video, go get one. Alright, okay. So all I have to do now is turn the ignition, not turn the ignition, turn the key. Okay, and that's it. It's solid. They can't drive this car. Alright, because of course they have to rotate. No, as soon as you get down here, that's it. So hope you picked up a little pointer today. Go buy yourself one of these things. Okay, I basically have 2 of them. This one I've had for maybe 20 years, and I have a second one that I use on this car. And even though this car that I've been making videos for you guys, I've had this car since 2010, and even though it has over 700,000 kilometers, when I go anywhere I put the nightstick on, because you never know, car thieves, they will steal anything even though that car isn't worth anything, right? Because with 700,000 kilometers they can't get too much for it. Maybe a few dollars, but nevertheless, that car means a lot to me, so I don't want anyone stealing it. So I still use the nightstick on there. So like I said, try and get one of these to deter car thieves. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.